Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're going to make this heart design using both nail stamping and foil. We're going to start using our silicone mat and a clear polish. Don't use a top coat, especially if it's a quick dry top coat, because when it dries it breaks and we need it to be flexible. We need to make a few of these, enough for all your nails. We set them aside to dry and apply our base coat. Next, we're gonna apply a black polish. And clean up the cuticles. We're going to go back to our mat. Once it's completely dry, we're going to use a gradient foil like this one and our nail stamping plate with the heart image. It doesn't really matter what color you use to stamp because the foil will cover it. Usually when I stamp, I use only a little bit of polish, but the foil wasn't sticking properly, so I added more polish and problem solved. You have to do this process as quickly as you can so the polish doesn't dry and the foil can adhere. And this is the reason why we need to wait until the clear polish on the mat is completely dry. We're going to be applying a lot of pressure, so if it's still wet, even just a little bit, the foil will stick to that. And it will look something like this. Once all your decals are ready, you can start applying them to your nails. First, you're gonna place them wherever you like, and we're going to use a disposable makeup sponge to press it onto the nail. If your polish underneath is still kind of wet, the decal will stick fairly easily. Mine here is a little bit more to the dry side, so it's not really staying. If the same thing happens to you, the only thing you have to do is add a very light coat of either the polish you used, or you can use the clear polish we used before. You don't need a lot, just a little bit so the decal has something to stick to. If you do this step, remember to go one nail at a time. Once you're done, you can remove the excess. And with our cleanup brush dipped in a little bit of acetone, we're going to melt the parts that didn't stick to the nail. We're just going to melt the decal a little bit. We're not cleaning up yet because I don't want to ruin the foil with the acetone. What we're gonna do is add a top coat first. And then clean up wherever necessary so the foil is protected. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!